Thank you for tuning in. This week's video is about how to make a crocodile. I'm Charlotta from London Art Nanny, and this is Art Splash Online, the kids' art tutorial, easy to follow step by step. And this week me and my artist will be making crocodiles from recycled boxes. It's quite easy to do once you know how to do it. So follow the steps and maybe you would like to make your own as well.
Before we get started, please check that you're wearing art-friendly clothes so we don't get stains on your favorite jumpers. For this project you will need an egg box, cardboard, paint, PVA glue and tape. Cut out 2 pairs of legs and a triangle for the tail. Use the top of an egg box. Leave 4 centimeters in the middle and cut out 2 triangles on either side. Then we painted all the parts. We cut out sharp teeth for the crocodile and glued it in his mouth. This artist chose to paint the clothes black. Then we cut out 2 circles and glued them on as eyes. As an alternative, you can use 2 small egg box covers and glue them together with a piece of cardboard. Then the artist started feeding the crocodiles. Can you guess what this one is eating?
He got eaten by a cock.
Don't forget to like, share and hit the subscribe button.
He's eating now. I'm gonna be dipped in his mouth. He probably dipped in his mouth. And you can't get that dipped in his mouth. Listen, he will look at you and he will eat you.
To make the crocodiles last longer, we both taped and glued the pieces together.
For any questions, just comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.
Thank you for watching and stay tuned for the next video. I'm not used to microphones. Does this work? Can you hear me?